TRENDnet's VDV USB cable tester, model TC-NT3, is a comprehensive cable tester for network professionals. It accurately tests a variety of voice, data, video, and USB cables. The TC-NT3 identifies proper, severed, short circuit, and cross-connected pins for cable distances of up to 300 meters, 1,000 feet. Quick test mode issues a pass/fail for large test batches. All components fit into a convenient travel case. Package contents: TC-NT3 Quick Installation Guide, 2XRJ45 to F adapter, Network Patch Cable, 15 cm, 6 in. Carry pouch. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I needed. I have wired my house with CAT5 over the years, but never labeled which wire from the router and switch went where within the house. This tester allowed me to easily identify each run so that I could label them. It also confirmed that the wiring was good. Great little tester for the money. Nice little tester. Got it to check a bunch of USB 2 and 3 cables I've been assembling, as well as spot checking troublesome Cat5 cables. Automatic mode is okay, but the individual conductor check is especially useful.